going on, everybody? It's Cons Vlogs back one more time with another exhaust video. This time we're going to be doing the Chevrolet SS. We have the LSA supercharger on here, a little bit bigger cam, as well as a meth kit stored in the trunk. So we're going to do startup, revs. The exhaust setup for this one, it's got American Racing 178 headers on it. It has an X pipe with the resonators deleted and the stock bimodal exhaust for the mufflers. So yeah, we're gonna do startup right now. We'll go do some pulls and some driveaways and revs. So yeah, let's get into it. Guys, so this time we're gonna be starting off with inside the car. So the windows are down right now. Alright guys, so with that, we're going to close off another exhaust video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this one. The SS is my favorite sounding of the three cars that we have. I absolutely love the way that thing sounds. But anyways, it's going to close it off. I'm going to be making another one in the near future of the G8. We have some aftermarket mufflers that we're going to put on. Makes it sound a lot better in my opinion. So yeah, we're going to be doing that later. But until then, feel free to browse the channel. If you haven't watched the Mazda or G8's first exhaust video, go ahead and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Share the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video.